On the Building tab, there is a button for entering a parapet. First, we indicate that we have a parapet, and then enter the height of the parapet. The height is defined as the height from the lowest point of the roof to the top of the parapet. You may only specify one parapet height. Next, we need to specify the porosity of the parapet. Each option has an explanation indicating what selecting that porosity signifies. If none of the options are representative of the parapet, there is an option at the bottom to manually specify the internal pressure coefficient GCPI. In the top right, we can specify the parapet height, which is measured from the low point of the roof. After saving the parapet inputs, the graphic will be updated to reflect the parapet. Notice that the height of the parapet entered is the height at the low side of this monoslope roof. If components and cladding are being evaluated, you would next go to the C&C tab. Since the parapet is part of the wall system, zones 4 and 5 will be applicable. However, the zones will have an underscore and the letter P after it to represent the parapet. To get C&C pressures for Zone 4 parapet, we would select 4_P. If the pressure summary option is used instead of individually entering the C&C elements, then all applicable parapet zones will automatically be included in the summary. We can now perform an analysis, and the parapet pressures will be found in the output for MWFRS as well as C&C. The main wind force resisting pressures will be included in the wall pressure table. The components and cladding pressures will be presented in a special section for the parapet.